Hi guys, if you want to know how to create on-click animations in Canva, you are in the right place. Let's go. For example, here we have a presentation inside of Canva and we want to let the text and the logos right here to appear after clicking. Basically, we are doing this by selecting the element we want to animate and click on animate. And here in the presentation settings, we are toggling on appear on click. We can do it for every element one by one. Then open present on full screen and click on it. So every time you click, a new text is showing. To save some time, we can also mark or highlight several elements or text, and then same process to toggle on appear on click. We can also do it for the other ones, as you can see here. If you click on present on full screen again, you can see that it's the same effect. Means every time you click, another text element or image is showing. If you want to let several text elements or images appear on click at the same time, we are going to highlight, for example, these two, and then we are going to click on group. By selecting this group, you can also click on animate, and yes guys, just toggle on click on appear. Let's also do it for the other ones. If you now open the presentation and click, you can see that every group is appearing one by one. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.